right, so one of the main range of motion issues that people have, right, is this kind of reaching behind the back that gets super tight. Now, this is due to a tight backside of the shoulder. And we want to, even though it's a challenge, is go into that position. And while like a static stretch can sometimes give you some progress, it's better to add some movement to that. So we're gonna do a chicken wing here. You have a band here. Now the emphasis here is trying to pull the shoulder back and down as best as we can, and then let that band try and pull the elbow forward. Now, as we do this, if you're tight, you're gonna feel that shoulder wanna drop. So we're basically just gonna pump this. That's why we call it the chicken wing. We're basically gonna pump this back and forth. We wanna try to keep it around the elbow. I can see mine starting to like drift up a little bit. And we're just gonna pump this back and forth and work this back side of the shoulder and help loosen up the capsule, the rotator cuff, and everything else that's preventing that range of motion of getting further up the back.